Hello everyone, I'm Adrija. Welcome back to my study room. There are a total of 10 questions in this quiz. You will get 10 seconds for each question. So, let's begin.
Question 1.
The correct answer is B.
Lives. The President of the USA lives in the White House. Question 2.
The correct answer is option C.
Playing. He will be playing cricket at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Question 3.
The correct answer is B.
Drove. James drove Mary to the station yesterday. Question 4.
The correct answer is option A.
Go. Where did you go last night? Question 5.
The correct answer is option C.
Did. Where did Bob stay last night? Question 6.
The correct answer is option C.
Been. Have you been there? Question 7.
The correct answer is option A.
Will have baked. John will have baked a cake before you arrive. Question 8.
The correct answer is B.
Will be. I will be watching TV at 9 p.m. tonight. Question 9.
The correct answer is option C.
Celebrating. We were celebrating a festival. Question 10.
The correct answer is option A.
Knew. Before she knew it, she had run out the door.
What's your score? Write down in the comment section below. If you like this video, click on like button and subscribe for more. Thank you.